Hello YouTube. Today I am going to show a video of TeamViewer 8 full version. First of all, you have to download the TeamViewer 8 from the link in the description. After downloading, you can see this type of folder. Open this folder, click on the TeamViewer setup. Click install. Next. Yes. Then personal or commercial, non-commercial use. I accept. I agree. No. Next. That's it. Install the TeamViewer. You can see this free license, non-commercial use only. Just close the TeamViewer. Close. Go to crack folder. Copy all the files. Go to C drive. Program files. TeamViewer version 8. Paste all the files here. Replace. Continue. 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 Close this folder. After that, open the TeamViewer 8 again. You can see this, there is no free license version. That's it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you.